Hello. Let's go rip some fish out of the waterfall. I like it. Alright guys, so there's pockets and pools in here where I'm trying to cast into the current and let my fly just get in the current and work that way. So when I cast into that fast stuff, I've basically just got to strip back until I keep the tension, keep the slack out of my line is all I'm stripping for. And waiting for that, basically it'll feel like a snag, and then you set the hook and it's a fish. The rodeo is on. I had a few minutes the other day, came over and caught a river striped bass, which was amazing. Okay. There we go. Little fish. Got something though. He's about to get a lot bigger. Watch this. Oh no, he's just a little guy. Just a little guy. What's up, bud? He's just a little guy. Well, not quite the rodeo we were looking for. It's all right. See you, bud. Good job, thank you. All right, on the board. Just said I'd never. I don't know that that was a white bass, so I think that was a tiny striped bass for some reason. He was really dark on his lines. Just gotta find them. The big boys are in here. Just gotta find them. There we go. There's a better fish. He's trying to pop my line really, really bad. Get out of there. Get out of there. There we go. Good. About to be a rodeo, folks. Not so much. He's not as big. Or not as small. I'm sorry. He's bigger. He's just not huge. And he's trying to get me down here so he can really stretch me out. Alright, go for it, bud. Have fun. I knew they'd start chewing eventually. There's Mr. White Bass. We've been looking for you, buddy. I've been looking for you, pal. Come here. You giving up? You throwing in the towel, little man? Now that is a nice white bass. Set him in the water while I get my rod put where it needs to go. There we go. Good. You chomped that pretty good, pal. I know. Oh man, what'd you do? Not biting me. Right back into the net. Right in the top of the mouth. Right where you want them. Alright folks, there he is. Right from underneath that waterfall. Alright, Bubba. Okay, let's go. Let's go. All right, he's good. Good and healthy. Good and healthy. Cool. Man, that's so much fun, you guys. I mean, that's not a huge fish. I've caught bigger, but they get in this current. It's just a rodeo. It's awesome. Cool. Let's see if we can catch another one. Good fish. Better fish. Here we go. Oh, maybe not. Maybe he just choked it. Man, you can't even tell. What's up, little guy? Hey, chill, 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 chill. You were where you're supposed to be. Where's all your brothers? Hi guys, there he is. See you, bud. Good job. Hello again. Waterfall. Alright. Well, it's rain has subsided enough to get the camera back out. While it was raining, I did come out here without the camera. Caught a few nice fish, so that's a good thing. I'll probably put some pictures that I took into the video right now. Good. All right, here we go. Here we go. Feels like a much better fish. Yeah. Here we go. 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 He's trying to fray my line right now on them rocks. Here we go. Where is he? I don't see him at all. Come here, big fella. Come here, bud. You're a decent white bass. Not huge. Bigger than what we caught the other two little ones we caught though. What's up, bud? Yeah. Thank you for playing. Actually, you're bigger than I thought. Yes, sir. There he is, boys. Yes, sir. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Yes, you are. I appreciate you. Thank you very much, buddy. He gone. See ya. All right, you guys, thanks so much for sticking it out to this point. Hope you enjoyed the video today. really cool to get a fish on a river. In a river, on a river, how do you say that? I don't know. Anyway, anytime those fish get in the current like that, that we had running there in that video today, they make them feel a lot bigger than they are, and so the big ones feel really big. So had a lot of fun doing it. I hope you enjoyed it as well, and as always folks, fish on. Have a good one.